we live? We are. Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning Kotlin Live. And this is the episode 17, which today also happens to be January 7th, so that's easy to remember. Anyway, this is where we left last time. We were trying to fix this reverse parentheses problem, and and we didn't pass some corner case. Let's see, what was it? Because we were using some really hacking ways, I guess. Can't even pass the 7 public test. Actually, we can't pass it, and yeah, that's because of a very important reason. We were trying to find the left parentheses and right parentheses from the left and right, and replace whatever in the middle, reverse whatever in the middle, and yeah, that becomes a problem when we have cases like they are parentheses that does not I mean, if they are parentheses of the same level, like for instance this and this are at the same level, so this reverse parentheses is definitely not going to work. So how about so actually because we were promised that we will always have a valid parentheses pair, so actually we can always search for the most inner parentheses, then search for the most outer parentheses, reverse whatever's inside it, and then remove the parentheses, and then again find the next right parentheses again and again, and that's so we're going to actually do it in a left to right odd order. So yeah, let's start it. So let's just simply forget whatever we wrote earlier. So given that we I hope you guys have a great holiday season, but so it's been a while since we last, it's like December 24th or whatever since I last streamed. So yeah, so I would like to recap whatever Kotlin only syntax we have run into today. So for instance, this string builder.swap is it's called an extension function of the class string builder, and it's the function name is swap, and it takes 2 parameters and it swaps, and this list is the string builder instance. So it actually, what it does is swap to 2 items in a string builder. So I'm gonna keep it, although I'm unsure if I'm going to need it. Let's start with string builder 2. That's it. And I don't think we need to remove parentheses now anymore. I'm gonna keep it anyway, though, just in case. So we're going to start from the left for index and s dot Wow, we're actually traversing var index equals to 0. Index is smaller than sp.size. I wonder if this can be replaced by, maybe no, but we'll see. So we're going to do if sp no equals to we don't care. So we actually need a stack here. Let's call it array list. For anyone that does not know stack, let's see what I can find on Wikipedia. No, I'm not in Indonesian, sorry. It's a data type which you can push whatever in. So if you do push, and the first item is there, then the second item is on the top, and whenever you pop, the topmost item, which is last pushed in, will be popped. So there are basically two most important operation that it can does. That's pop and push, and this is the behavioral pop and push. So if we pop here, it's going to pop. After this, it's going to pop 4. Yeah. So I'm going to use a mutable list. Am I writing this correctly? Is this a template? I think so. So var, now it's actually a value, stack, which is of type mutable list of integer, is equal to array list of integer. I think we can leave the space here. Okay. Well, how am I going to pop if I'm using an array list as a stack? I don't need a top and a bottom if I want to. actually don't care about top. Kind of. I mean, the top itself is maintained by the stack is the array list itself. I'm going to talk a little bit less today because I'm actually a little bit ill today. But let me know if you need any help in the live chat. Is there a remove and stream viewer? I think so. Have delete. 0 through length divided by 2. This is what I want already. So we parse from the left, and when we see a left parenthesis, we add it to the stack. And if we see a right parenthesis, pop the stack. And what's next? Pop the stack. Reverse whatever is between it. And reposition to remove the parentheses and reposition to whatever after the remove. And in every iteration, that only happens with, yeah, that looks like something that would work for me. Why is this taking so long? Must be some infinite loop. Well, actually, it's the type. Why? There's no size in string builder. You must be kidding me. Is it length? Oh yeah, because it's a string builder. Yeah, it's length. What is that? What else? Add index. Yeah, it's an integer. Oh. int. int and integer are different and between Kotlin and Java. Int is more like the primitive type integer and Kotlin. Where is that length? So yeah, it actually is a field. That's something that I always mess up when writing Kotlin. Index out of bound. Okay. I don't think it's possible that After this operation it becomes -1. But if it does and is -1, and that means index is -1, and which is impossible. So yeah, that's actually pretty weird to me. Well, it can actually become -1, but I'm not sure why -2 is causing a problem. I don't think that quite makes sense to me. So, I think this looks like it is. It looks like it is swap that is actually making a mistake here. No, it's not. Well, I don't think this actually makes big difference, but it can be begin because right parenthesis. Oh, actually no, we're going to double push the stack. But seems like that's, yeah, that was not where the problem was. Oh, maybe I should do a else here. Yes, no. It's mutually exclusive, so. Oh, it actually is not. Yeah. And it's actually equal. It's now mutually exclusive after it's equal. It's still doing something. Yeah, this is definitely fine. And this is definitely fine too. So the problem would be somewhere in between here. So if swapping itself is not a problem, I think it actually should be a problem. actually delete that. Oh, it's actually stack. That would be even more weird to me, because stack bottom is definitely 0 here. We pushed to left, right, right is definitely not a valid. Yeah, so if we see right parentheses, there definitely is going to be enough items in stack bottom. Alright, let's take a look again. But I don't believe this is going to be a problem. Yeah, it's not. So could it be delete? That would be very unexpected. Oh, could it be concurrent? I don't think so. It's actually delete. Oh, and I'm seeing box here. Let's try with +1. Yeah, we don't care about +1 actually. We're actually doing it too much, I guess. Length is 2. Do you need this +1 here? I think I need a better way to delete the begin and end, or actually delete beginning index inclusive, ending index exclusive. This might be incorrect, but might pass. No, it's still not passing, so yeah, that's maybe the string builder is changed in Kotlin. What's that? Delete. Is there actually no delete? Yeah, there's no delete actually. That's probably why. It's called remove range. Still seeing the same problem. Oh, there's actually a delete chart add. Oh, that's probably why. Where is that delete char at? Oh, it's not included until 1.0. Oh, but anyway, the string builder what's this called? What's the name of this one? Code signal includes is the JDK one, so probably I can still use it. That should finally be working. Still index out of bounds. Oh, okay. Because we have deleted and first. That's the reason. I mean, we have deleted begin first. It's not passing. Why? it's not swapping properly. But yeah, that's all for today. Let's look at the swap here. I think there's some problem here that we need to fix tomorrow, but that's all for today. See you guys tomorrow.